Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam led us in the prayer. The reporter Ibrahim says he sallallahu alaihi wasallam increased or diminished something in the prayer. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed a salutation, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was asked, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, has any new command been issued during the prayer?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Why?" The people submitted, "You have performed a prayer in this way." Hazrat Ibn Masud radiyallahu anhu says, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam turned his feet, faced the Qibla, performed 2 prostrations and then performed a salutation. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then turned his face to us and said, "Had there been any new command about the prayer, I would have intimated you of it, but I am a human being like you and forget like you. So whenever I forget, do remind me. And when any one of you experiences doubt in prayer, he should complete the prayer according to what sounds correct after concentration, and then perform 2 prostrations and then perform salutation." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 1274.